So I just spent the last hour customizing my earrings for graduation, and did I kill it? Or did I freaking kill it? Okay, so it is almost 3 o'clock and I have roughly 2 hours to get ready, so that should hopefully be plenty of time. I am going to take out my earrings. We have our hair up at the moment to just get it out of our face. We are ready, Freddy. So I had used the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser, and it says like this is also, I saw online that this was like a good face primer, but maybe I got the wrong one. It looked like this. So we're not going to use that. We are just going to use the Wet n Wild Dewy Luminex Face Primer. Get a little bit on our finger and just kind of put it mostly around our face. I'm not going to put it everywhere, like I don't need it everywhere, I guess, as I proceed to put it basically everywhere. So now, since we have our entire face primed, I'm going to be going in with my concealer and covering up this lovely freaking bad boy who decided to pop up in his prime day, his peak epiphany of his life is going to be at my graduation. If I turn my head the right way, you don't see him, so it's great. And then we are going to blend him in. Now I'm going to be setting my concealer with this CoverGirl Clean mattifying powder to help set it in and lock it into place. Next up, I'm going to be doing my blush with this Wet n Wild makeup blush stick. We're just kind of dotting it along the cheeks, and then I'm just gonna spread it out just a little bit with my fingers. I think the brush last time took away a lot of that pigment. And then I'm going to be taking in this just similar colored blush, the one I got from Ireland or whatever, and just kind of adding on to the color. Next up, we have our contour, which I'm pretty sure basically is doing nothing for me, but we're just going for it. So I'm going to be taking this Rimmel Natural Bronzer and then just kind of going in the 3 shape. And then I'm going in with a precision contour and just kind of going along the little ridges of my nose again. And you may be asking yourself, Bella, you're literally going to be in a car. Why do you need to like make sure you look so good or whatever besides it like being graduation and taking pictures and stuff? Well, since you were asking, I was selected to be one of the student speakers. I feel like I've said this before, so sorry if I have. So even though speech season ended abruptly for me, I will be able to finish off my high school speech career with a graduation speech. So that's really fun. And then last but not least, our lovely highlighter. And I'm using Revolution's Unicorn Elixir Liquid Highlighter. So since we are done with our lovely highlighter, our next step is onto the eyes. Now with the eyes, I am actually using an eyeshadow primer today. I'm just using Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer by Wet n Wild. So I'm just squirting a bit on my finger. We're gonna prime our eyelids. So JK, not done with the eyes. After we have our primer setting or whatever, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows. Still kind of eye focused, but still eye counted face. So I'm just taking an e.l.f. brow pencil and filling this in and then brushing it out. So since we are done with our eyebrows and our eyeshadow primer is on, I am going to be going in with this NYX Ultimate Edit eyeshadow palette. So I will be going in with an eyeshadow brush into this silver, and I'm just gonna try putting this on the center of my lid. And we're going to be doing the same on our other eye. I'm going to be going into this silver gray and applying that to my inner corner. And then I'm just going to be taking a blurring brush and blending this transition between shades a little bit more. I'm going to be going in with this darker gray color here and placing just a very little bit in our crease. So then we're going to be going back in with the blending brush and just blending the heck out of this end here. So that's the best we're gonna get. I'm gonna try lining this with this holographic whatever little liner pen Just a little bit. I feel like that, I like that a bit more. It brings some light into my eyes and less raccoony. So since we have our eyes done, I definitely think this eyeliner brings it out a bit more. It makes it look less raccoony and like sparkles a bit more. I like it. I am going to be curling my eyelashes first. So now since we have our lashes curled, I'm going to be going in with this CoverGirl Lash Blast Active first. And then I'm going to be going in with my Great Lash by Maybelline with the curved brush. So since our eyes are done, I'm going to finish it off by putting some of my concealer underneath the eyes to help clean that up a bit. And now the concealer is all good, and I'm going to be setting it with the same mattifying powder. Last but not least, I'm going to be going back in with my highlighter and then just adding some highlighter to my brow bones as well as my inner corner of my eye. Highlighter is not last. I kind of need some lipstick. Kind of forgot about that. I'm going to be doing this NYX Liquid Suede red lipstick. There we go, we're finally somewhat even. A long time later, holy crap. Now we are done with our lovely Dovey makeup. I'm going to be setting this with an e.l.f. makeup mist and set. Okay, since we are done with our makeup, next up is hair. So I'm just going to be taking my hair out of my bun that we had before. First step is to brush your hair, obviously. So my hair is still slightly damp, but I am going to straighten my hair. So I will be going in with this Aussie Heat Protecting Spray Total Miracle with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. I'm just gonna kind of go like quickly. So it's like kind of straightened, but kind of not. You know, it's crooked. See how it's like straight, but it's not straight. Jeez, I think I sprayed way too much of that stuff in. I got a bit overzealous here. Overzealous is a fun word, right? Right. I think we had this problem before, but like this hair is much longer than the rest, but I just say they're framing hairs, right? Unplug the straightener. Hair looks good. Now, I know it's really simple, but it's an iconic hairstyle. But I'm just kind of grabbing by my temples and dragging my hair back. An easy half do. And let's try to fix the top hair here. And I'm just going to be taking a blue hair tie because color coordination here. Oh no, wait, should we do red? We'll do red because color coordination. And then we're just going to be taking that hair tie, securing my hair back. I know you can't really see it. It's the thought that counts. Should I bring Pravus to graduation? Wait, hold up. How do I do this? Okay. First, let's have our final look. I'm just so freaking proud of myself. You can't tell me that doesn't look cool. Cause look, I'm a baby graduating. So here's our final look. Now, how do I bring Pravus? Hold up. Okay, so here's the dress that I'm wearing. It's just like a simple black tank top-ish dress. I have it pinned, so then it's a little bit more like V, but as comes with many dresses, it does not have any pockets. And caps and gowns do not have any pockets. How do we bring Pravus to graduation? I got it. So the dress is kind of like a wrap thing. Okay, if you can kind of see, like it splits. So I just have him pinned to the second fabric of 2 safety pins for precautions, and like I'm so freaking proud. Like, okay, you can kind of obviously like there's a bump here, but like I'm wearing a gown, so like I'm on top of my game here. Okay, iconic. Like, hello. Icon earrings. Bringing Pravus to prom. We're on top of our game here. We can only go lower. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Post-high school graduate Bella here. So I was able to successfully bring Pravus to graduation. My speech went well. I got some people who told me they liked my earrings, like the few people that I came in contact with, and a few people had sent me like a message like, oh my god, I loved your earrings. So I'd say graduation was a success considering the circumstances. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. My name is Bella, and stay safe. Are we ready, Freddy? We're not ready, Freddy. It's prime time, baby. Where? Hello? I'm very pale. Eyeballs. 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 Brats. Bot. How'd you do this? Help. I forgot my eyebrows. Thanks. I'm dumb. Are we vibing with this? Why did I have my tongue out? I hated that. Do we just say goodbye, Cupid's bow? No, we do not. No, we do not. Oh, Manny. That's enough. I look very wet now. We have an hour, hour and a half, but not an hour and a half. So like an hour. You could use that so out of context.